Hey friends, how are you? I hope this finds you well. Happy June. This box is really pretty. I'm excited to share it with you. So this is the June box for Potomac Beads called Sunny Solstice. Welcome to your summer solstice box where the warmth of sunrise inspires every bead and charm inside. Let this radiant hues of gold and coral blush spark your creativity as you craft pieces that glow with the energy of the season. May your design shine as brightly as the longest day of the year. So some new beading needles, very nice. 2 of them each. Ooh, look at those seed beads. Those colors are beautiful. Might not be able to see it, but this is like an ombre one in here. It's really pretty. Some check tulip beads. They got like an AB finish on it. Some milk white bicones. Lots of bicones. Tublet Aztec gold. They're all nice and rounded. These are really pretty. These are Hawaiian flowers. I really like these. These are gem duos. They have holes on both sides. And vintage copper round duo beads. How beautiful are those? Ooh, another beautiful coppery textured drop beads. Got some really fun texture. Look at that Rivoli. Ooh, so pretty. And these are amethyst crystals. How pretty is that? If I can get it to focus. Very pretty. And then some disco balls. Ooh. I don't know if you can see the way they shimmer. Very fun. These acrylic suns look cool. I can't wait to play with those. These are fun. Oval beads in mauve. Look at these pretty gold charms. Glass yarn balls. That's a new one. Some gunmetal melons. And some really pretty rose gold pearls. Thank you, Potomac. What a great box. I can't wait to play with it. Yay! Watch for some videos and watch for my weekly lives. All right, see you soon.